out and helping us out tonight. The great, he's royalty himself, Duke Levine on guitar from Musta, Mass. Duke Levine. Something like that. You're on a date. You're waiting, you get yourself all washed up, you take yourself a shower. You put on men and stick all day bracelet, little talcum powder, take a little ultra deodorizer and spray all them body parts. You set the date at 8 o'clock and you figure, hey listen baby, come on over to my house. I'll cook you something nice like order you a Domino's pizza pie. So you cannot wait till 8 o'clock. And you're sitting there by the telephone. Kind of manicuring your nails so you don't do a little scratching there. 8:30 passes, ain't no call. 9 o'clock, no telephone call. 11 o'clock, your cell phone don't even ring. And what you don't realize is most people these days, especially most ladies these days, they don't use the telephone. They type on the telephone. So I'm sitting there at 8 o'clock, putting all this perfume on, getting the underwear right, making sure it's on the right side, everything looking good, fine and dandy. And I didn't know, because it didn't sound, I didn't realize I got a text. Honey, gonna be a little late, fixing my hair. 9:30 I get a text. Not sure which shoes I'm gonna wear, the flats or the heels. At about 11 o'clock I get another text. I'm still deciding. And I figured, deciding, bullshit. There's something on my mind. There's trouble going on my mind. There's trouble on my mind. So you gotta take matters in your own hand. So I start walking over. Now let me tell you about walking. I come from New York. New York, they walk tough. Detroit, they walk tough. And they're kind of similar. They're like this. So I figured I'd take matters in my own hands and I'd be walking over to my baby's house, and then I get over to my baby's house in the driveway. In the driveway, I see a Domino's pizza truck. Now, being a reader of detective novels, I figured I would take matters into my own hands and try to figure this one out. So very slyly, I walk over to the hood of this Domino pizza truck and I put my hand on it and it was cold. I knew that truck was there for a very long time. And I looked up at the window where my baby's house is and I could see nothing but darkness, but a little bit of shadows, and I started screaming, "Raputa! Raputa! Now, it was one of them quiet neighborhoods like Richfield. What's one of them neighborhoods out there? Bloomfield, yeah. They don't like that yelling after 9 o'clock. So I decided to kick that motherfucking door down. Well, that wasn't working, so you gotta try a little bit of honey. So I get down on my hands and knees and I say, oh my darling, please, oh my darling, don't believe what they're telling you down at the Domino's Pizza place. You're my little loving girl. I don't care if you saw me down at the Wisecracker Lounge with 2 or 3 other ladies. They were just friends of mine, man. Don't believe what they're telling you, because darling, love comes once and when it comes, you gotta grab it fast. They ain't telling how long the love you grab is gonna last. And that's why sometimes I get down my hands and knees, you know, sometimes I think I'm Musta. Baby, you I think I'm Musta. You I think I'm Musta. I'm Musta. I must have got love. Oh, yeah. Never thought about tomorrow. Baby, it seems like a long time ago. How can I be so blind, baby? Not to see what it was. I let you slip on from it, baby. I let you go around. Here's the love I have for you. Here's the love. I must have got lost. I must have got lost. I must have got lost somewhere down the line. I must have got lost. I got lost. Sweet thing, baby. You know how many games I love you, dog. I must have got lost. I must have got lost. I must have got lost somewhere down the line. I must have got lost. I got lost. I just can't understand. I just can't understand. I just can't understand it.